Directions for questions 6 to 10. The passage talks about robots. The passage starts off by saying that robots are notoriously lousy jumpers, that they are not good at jumping. Some can jump high but not repeatedly. A scientist named Duncan Haldane, he realized the implication of this shortcoming, that robots are not able to jump. He feels that if robots are made better at jumping, they will be able to perform better while they do rescue work. So, Duncan Haldane turned to the animal kingdom to study nature's best jumpers so that he can improve the ability of robots to jump. He studied various animals and he found out an animal named Galago, which was very good at jumping, and its agility was twice that of any contemporary jumping robot. Then he studied why the Galago is able to jump so well. The Galago's legs and muscles are optimized for crouching, a position that helps it to store potential energy and jump high. Then Haldane translated those physics or mechanics to fashion a robot he named Salto. It weighs just 100 grams and it is able to jump to a height of 1 meter. And further, he says that the mechanics used in the new jumping system can be applied to any other robot. And finally, he says that it is only a matter of time that bigger robots that can jump much more higher distances can be developed, and in future it may be possible that robots can jump on top of tall buildings. Let us start with the questions now. Identify a reason why Duncan Haldane wanted to improve the ability of robots to jump. He felt that if robots can jump, the robots will be able to perform better in rescue work. That is given in option C, so that they can perform better in rescue work. Identify a reason why Galagos were good at jumping. The reason that is given is in option B. Their legs and muscles were optimized for crouching. It is from a crouching position that they jump and their legs have been optimized for that. So B is the right answer. Let us look at the other options. They had long legs. It is probably true, but it is not mentioned. So A is wrong. Their tendons were strong. Again, that is also probably true, but that is not mentioned. They weighed only 100 grams. That is wrong. It is Salto that weighed only 100 grams. The weight of Galagos is not given. Hence, D is wrong. To what does the author refer to while using the term mechanical friends? That is, that mechanical friends is used in the last sentence and the author refers to the robots. So A is the right answer. Identify the phrase or word that has the same meaning as the word nocturnal. Nocturnal is an animal that is active at night. So that is option C. Animals that are active at night. According to Haldane, the mechanics of the jumping system used in Salto is what? That is, correct answer is option A. It could be applied to any other robot. So option A is the right answer. That he says that the mechanics that has been used to develop Salto can be applied to other bigger robots. Look at option B. Is more efficient than that of Galagos. That is not mentioned. It is taken from Galagos, but it is better than Galagos. That is not mentioned. So B is wrong. Can be applied to sporting events. It may be true, but it is not mentioned. So C is also wrong. Will enable it to leap tall buildings. Here it means Salto. Okay, that is not right. Salto can jump only to a height of 1 meter. What the author says is that the same mechanics can be used to build bigger robots, and those big robots may be able to leap tall buildings. It is not Salto. Salto is a very small robot which weighs only 100 grams. So D is wrong.